Right. यहाँ पे, like you're mentioning, like, I wouldn't have connected to other women in infotech if like आप ये मतलब LinkedIn पे नहीं होता and all. So यहाँ पे ये जो बार-बार ये जो women word आ रहा है, अच्छा, जैसे, हरमीत, like, जैसे आपको तो पता ही होगा, जैसे मेरे लिए, जैसे जितने भी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स रहे हैं, मतलब रहे हैं, जिनको मैंने पढ़ाया है, एंड ऑब्वियसली एवरीबडी नोज, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में आज की डेट में भी 80% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर बॉयज, ओके, एंड ओनली 20% ऑफ देम आर गर्ल्स. वो भी अगर if it is like, if that college is lucky, they'll get 20% girls who are doing engineering. So मेरे लिए तो सारे मतलब बराबर ही लगते हैं, मतलब I never look at people as genders and all, I look at them as people, persons. So फिर भी मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी, मतलब हरमीत, I'm quite curious to know this, like does, like, in engineering colleges, like, since लड़कियां कम होती है, so वो लोग जब पढ़ते हैं या questions put up करते हैं या like अपने मेल counterparts के साथ interact करते हैं technically, so मतलब कुछ prejudice या कुछ होता है क्या, means like जैसे दूसरे जो boys हैं उनको लगता है कि नहीं, they are not fit to be good engineers, or like that, something like that happens?
Well, firstly, colleges में, that is very true. Women are very less in engineering colleges, and some of them might be lucky that they have an equal ratio. Like my sister is also in BTech right now, first year, so she has a very good ratio in her class. But
और
given
क्लास
my,
मींस देयर आर ब्रांचेस, जैसे ITCS में ज्यादातर गर्ल्स होती हैं, बट जैसे वी आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट ITCS here only, but there are many branches जहाँ पे तो लड़कियां होती ही नहीं है. So
definitely, I would agree. Just in mechanical BA, there are a lot of women. In my branch, there were women, but they were like pretty less. Actually, in even my own class, I think if we were 60, we had like 12 girls, and the rest of them were guys. And that's actually true. Like, I would say that yes, engineering branch में कम होते हैं, and CS में फिर भी आपको लड़कियां मिल जाती हैं, but rest of the branches do definitely have less women, and somehow IT में ज़्यादा होती हैं. I don't know why that happens. But yes, that is there. And for the counterparts saying that yes, you are not enough, I would say yes.
नहीं,
that
not
does exist.
directly. I'm not saying कि
Not directly, yes.
फेस पे आके कोई कहेगा कि
नहीं,
हट तेरे को कुछ नहीं आता, मींस ऐसा नहीं.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. And you won't actually even feel it. It's not there. You might start doubting your skills at some point of time because of what you're hearing around you, and you would like probably not take it on that point. But it just does happen sometimes that you might feel कि यार शायद इसने मुझे ऐसा इसलिए बोला क्योंकि मैं एक female हूँ, and that does happen because you are less in quantity than the guys. And I'm not saying that all the guys out there are bad. Everybody has a different
in fact,
perspective.
वो लोग खुद भी they themselves are also interacting and understanding कि okay fine, maybe बहुत सारे लड़के वो किसी non co-ed school से आते हैं, तो they are also interacting with girls for the first time. ऐसा नहीं है, means you cannot, I'm not generalizing, I'm saying कि आपने कभी ये face किया है ये prejudice कि like लग रहा है कि नहीं, if you are a girl आपको तो ये coding नहीं समझ में आएगी, ये subject नहीं समझ में आएगा, ये topic नहीं समझ में आएगा.
Well, yes, I would actually agree कि एक बार हो चुका है, but not like this. It was actually during our placement time, and at that time I was actually, hearing, like I was standing for the placements, and I just heard a bunch of guys speaking कि यार ये वाली company ना सिर्फ females को recruit करने आ रही है, and जिसको ये ले रहे हैं ना, that's not like that I'm better than that woman. Well, यार आप हो गए, no doubt at all, but actually industry के अंदर लड़कियां बहुत कम है, and that's true. And like sometimes we are left out क्योंकि given the fact कि maybe सारी females comfortable नहीं है रात को काम करने में, या फिर सारी females comfortable नहीं है कि वो मतलब अपने like male counterparts की तरह रात के 3-4 बजे घर जा रही हैं. It becomes difficult. Like I have done it. I don't have any problem in doing it. My parents are also supportive about it. But not everybody's parents are. So अगर companies इस बात में effort कर रही हैं, that's really nice. And also with the prejudice that I faced was that जब उन्होंने ऐसा कहा, and then I just had a thought in my mind that if you are so good, why don't you just try to approach the company directly? In the end, जब आप industry join करो, you're standing on the same platform.
Yes,
that's okay.
Yes.
अगर आज उस company ने आपको recruit नहीं किया, कल बाहर से जाके कर लेना apply. इसमें क्या है? So there some parts you might find it there, but it's okay. Everybody has their own mind and everybody has the right to express themselves.
ये एक्चुअली पता है, जैसे जैसे आपने कहा कि जैसे बहुत सारी लड़कियां मींस दे आर मतलब दे और देयर फैमिलीज दे आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद वर्किंग एट लेट, मतलब लेट घर आ रही है, मे बी दे आर इन द सेम प्रोजेक्ट, बट इसलिए लड़कों को लिया जाता है कि दे कैन बी सेंट एनीवेयर, जैसे कहीं ऑफ साइड जाना है, बहुत बार लड़कियों को नहीं प्रेफर किया जाता क्योंकि लड़कियां मना कर देती कि नहीं हम नहीं जाएंगी, मेरे घर वाले नहीं अलाउ करेंगे. सो आपको लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री में जैसे लेट्स से मतलब बेसिकली एक फीमेल एम्प्लॉय पे किसी इंडस्ट्री या कंपनी का लॉजिस्टिक्स जो कॉस्ट होता है वो ज्यादा हो जाता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर इवन इफ द गर्ल इज लाइक शी इज द प्रोजेक्ट हेड एंड शी इज रियली इंटेलिजेंट व्हिच मींस द टीम नीड्स हर, बट हाँ जैसे उनको घर ले जाना है तो ऑब्वियसली अ कैब शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड सो दैट हर सिक्योरिटी इज एंश्योर्ड, है ना. सो एंड देयर आर अदर फैक्टर्स आल्सो, जैसे लेट्स से अगर उनको ऑफ साइट भी भेजा जाता है तो मेक श्योर किया जाना चाहिए कि उनका जो स्टे है या उनका जो भी है वो सब कुछ बहुत ही ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड सिक्योरिटी वाइज अच्छा हो. सो आपको लगता है कि इस रीजन की वजह से कि लॉजिस्टिक्स एक फीमेल एम्प्लॉय के, इवन इंटेलिजेंट फीमेल एम्प्लॉय के लॉजिस्टिक्स में एक कंपनी को ज्यादा बेसिकली एफर्ट देना पड़ रहा है, इसलिए मे बी दे आल्सो थिंक कि women should not be hired or anything like that?
I would actually say that well, for industries it is a bit of a factor where we have to ensure that the women employee is reaching safely or not, and we are ourselves, even the male counterparts, they even call up and they say, yeah, to ghar pahunch nahi na, you're safe or not. So that
good.
thing does definitely apply, yes, and they are very helpful and thinking about these things, that maybe I should drop you off and you'll just feel like much better and much safer. And with EY, I would actually appreciate that they even had this effort that whenever I used to leave the office, they always, like, after some point of time, they just like note down and then they'll call me up later that mama ghar pahunch gaye kya nahi. So that was really good. But yes, definitely these kinds of things are there where the industry might think ki haan ladki ko employ karna nahi chahiye because of these things, but because we actually have to make it a fair place in the end.
Yes.
And because
it is
because
not
of
the women's fault. ये हमारी गलती नहीं है.
not the fault, it's the industry, not
yes.
the industry, society that is like this. And you cannot help it. And like, given the fact that Indian society jo hai, isme we do face a lot of issues a lot of times with these kinds of things. And I'm not saying that everyone does, but a lot of people do. Like, newspapers mein itni khabrein nahi aati na agar itna nahi ho raha hota to. And a woman does face some issues sometimes, so supporting her is really important. It's the brain that matters, and
yes,
it's not
the brain that matters. It's the opportunity that matters.
yes. It's not like कि आप अगर मैं ज़्यादा better हूँ किसी चीज़ को करने में, आप किसी कम वाले को employ कर लोगे just because वो एक आदमी और उसके लिए cost कम लगेगा. But then because आप in the end आप जो product बनाओगे finally, आप जो भी काम करके भेजने वाले हो, it's not going to be as good as that maybe I would have done it. I'm not saying that I'm good, but I'm just saying, just giving an example.
नहीं, you are good. Come on, Harmeet. मतलब अगर जैसे मैंने अगर 100 coders देखे हैं, you will be one of them. Like super. जैसे कहते हैं ना coding. See यहाँ पे ना gender की बात ही नहीं आ रही. मेरे लिए तो मतलब gender की बात ही नहीं आ रही. It's the work basically.
नहीं, thank you, ma'am, for that. But I would say, as an example, मैं quote कर रही थी, but beat anybody out there. Like, if a female has better mindset, if she can contribute more, she should definitely be given the position. Despite the fact that
best person for the job, basically.
Yes, right. She cares for the job, you care for her. Simple.
Yes, best person for the job. Like, ये मत देखो कि कौन है वो, मतलब choose the best person for the job. Okay, that's really means आपने ये basically वैसे ये जो जितना ये इस इशू को उछाला जाता है कि gender inequality at workplace, I mean आपने मतलब आप अपने like personal experience से बोलो, इतना gender inequality at workplace है, at least जिन workplaces में आपने काम किया है वहाँ पे है क्या ऐसा?
I have actually not faced it. Very honestly, like, maybe industry has opened up its arms to me. Like, I am very fortunate to have some very nice male mentors. First one जिन्होंने मेरे को मेरे career path पर डाला, जसप्रीत सिंह, मेरे partner थे EY में. Really thankful to him always, because he was the one who put me there and guided me. And then the next few are like Apoorv and Tejinder, who have like helped me shape my path over here. So I have actually never faced it in my life. I haven't, but I have heard of these circumstances, and LinkedIn is filled up sometimes with so many of such posts, and then I'm like that. Well, thank you that I haven't faced such people, because it's not the industry and it's not the society, it's the people who make up the industry and society. So if you're facing such kind of people, they're not worth working with, number one.
Yes.
If there is people who are discriminating, but I actually haven't faced it. I've had a good path. Thankfully, touch wood.
Very good. हरमीत, यहाँ पे ना मैं भी शेयर करना चाहूंगी, जैसे अब इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में स्टूडेंट्स का तो रेशियो जैसे स्क्यूड है, बट ज्यादातर कॉलेजेस में या मतलब स्कूल से चलो नहीं कंपेयर करते, बट कॉलेजेस में भी ना ज्यादातर इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में देयर आर लाइक आई मीन अ लॉट ऑफ फीमेल फैकल्टीज. इनफैक्ट हमारे कॉलेज में मतलब द फीमेल फैकल्टी टू द मेल फैकल्टी रेशियो इज लाइक more, there are more females than there are मेल्स. ओके, सो मैं हरमीत मैं भी शेयर करना चाहूंगी. मैंने भी जैसे ये जो आप जो कह रहे हो ना जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, मतलब मैं ही पूछ रही थी, लाइक ये मैंने भी कभी फेस नहीं किया है. मींस ना घर पे ना वर्क प्लेस में. मींस मेरी भी ओपिनियन उतनी ही वैल्यू की गई है जितना एक मे बी मेरे मेल काउंटर पार्ट. So, I mean, my question just like this is a very trending issue to discuss. That's why I asked. Otherwise, मैं भी कहूँगी कि I'm thankful and grateful to the way my life is. कि I have never faced it. Means ठीक है. मतलब when I read about news, I feel really bad कि people should not go through it because it's gender. मतलब gender वाला ये question आना ही नहीं चाहिए. Means हाँ, कुछ अलग-अलग gender की अलग-अलग requirements है which you should fulfill. But other than that, when it comes to work जैसे एक काम या एक मशीन या एक कंप्यूटर, उसको ये पता नहीं है कि आप फीमेल हो, मेल हो, ट्रांसजेंडर हो, क्या हो. ठीक है. सो इट्स अबाउट द वर्क. ओके, सो गुड. लाइक चलो, मतलब हरमीत गुड वी टॉक्ड अबाउट इट कि ये होता है या नहीं. अच्छा, ओके. सो कमिंग बैक टू योर टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस, आप लाइक यू टेल मी लाइक हाउ टू, जैसे लेट्स से कोई स्टूडेंट है जिसको जैसे नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी में ही जाना है, मतलब उसी फील्ड में काम करना है, तो where to start, how to learn, how to be a security engineer?
Okay, so security engineering is like such a broad spectrum. It's like a complete different path, a complete different field, which is like so different from what we actually have. जब हम college में थे, I don't think I had that much exposure, and
college
I did
में
not
पूरे 4 साल के करिकुलम में हम एक ही सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड, एक नहीं मतलब कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स इज वन सब्जेक्ट जो कि नेटवर्क्स के बारे में होता है, एंड फिर एक सब्जेक्ट आता है नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी या इंटरनेट सिक्योरिटी. दैट इज द ओनली सिक्योरिटी सब्जेक्ट मींस स्टूडेंट स्टडी इन कंप्यूटर साइंस.
right, and that hardly touches upon जो हम actually में कर रहे हैं industry में. And that is why when I mentioned earlier in the interview कि suddenly industry like came as a bus and hit me full force. That is because I had no idea what I was going through and what I was going to do. So अगर किसी को security में आना है, the first thing would be that you at least know what it is. There are so many pathways in this. You have, as I just mentioned earlier, everything on the internet is there to attack. So you need to find out what point you want to choose. Do you want to go to the network security part? Do you want to go to the application security? Do you want to protect maybe the containers, or do you want to protect the code, or you want to protect the endpoints like the laptop you're working on? Maybe even protect anything, any aspect that you're working with. So security is so broad. Just first of all, knowing what all things it has to offer is such a huge thing, because when I started off, I knew about application security and network security, but suddenly the horizons broadened. I was like, oh God, ये भी चीज होती है. Oh God, compliance भी एक चीज होती है. And then I'm like, अरे हाँ यार, GDPR का नाम सुना था, मुझे नहीं पता था वो इससे भी related है. So there are so many things to it. Just know first of all कि आपके लिए कौन सी fields available हैं. That's very important to know first of all, and then choose one of them first. Because if you're going to try hop, it's not going to work. So choose one, then you find resources on it. Like there are so many security resources I can actually point out right now. So maybe if you want to go for application security, you start with Portswigger. I will mention the link to you, ma'am. You can put it forward.
Yeah, so I always do. Means I want to everybody to be directed कि देखो मेरे स्टूडेंट ने जिससे मैं बात कर रही हूँ वो ये रिसोर्सेज बता रहे हैं. So these are all legitimate links.
Right. So you have Portswigger जो आपको application security में help करेगा. You have OWASP Top 10, which is like the Bible of security, and that will tell you कि application में you have these 10 attacks which are 100% there in the industry, and like it's like so prevalent, and you have to protect against these because they like publish the trending ones. Then network हो गया, तो उसमें आपके CVs हो गए, आपके जो weaknesses हैं, these kinds of things are there. Then आपका जो laptop है, you have antivirus and protection and these kinds of things. So learning about these things, you need to have a starting point. So choose your starting point first, and then you have like the entire Google to read through. Like search and read. Everything in security is about searching, reading, and deploying it. You cannot do security without practicing it. The industry is like the perfect place where you start to practice, because usse pehle na you can do theory. Like even I had a research paper in third year. So at that point, what I was doing was my research paper was on load balancing, and I could not like really simulate it at that point. बट यू कैन लर्न थियोरेटिकली, एंड जो मैंने वहाँ थियोरेटिकली सीखा आज मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में इसे अप्लाई कर पा रही हूँ. सो यू नो, स्टार्ट रीडिंग, रिसर्चिंग अबाउट इट, probably do research papers. It's a good place to start with. And then once you step into the industry, look at your options that are available and try to get into the industry that way. There is like a technical part in security, and then there's a compliance part in security which does not have like tech work to be done. So that's like a safe part where you have no coding and anything. So that's a good part of it. So choose the path and then choose consultancy में जाना है, engineering करनी है, core tech products में जाना है या क्या, because पहले I was in EY and that's a consultancy company.
Security products development में जाना है.
वो भी है, yes, that is also there. Like everybody has heard about Norton antivirus. So Norton, for example, that's a security product. तो उसके लिए आपको product के ऊपर काम करना है या उस product को enhance करना है, क्या करना है? There's so much about it. I think it's very
security means network security is a huge, like it's a very broad term.
Oh, it is very broad. It's like you're talking about the servers. Suddenly you're talking about you know, the printer at your office. It's all part of the network. Everything is there. Your routers, your switches, everything. So huge.
Yes, and so many protocols are there for, like, you know, means you know what, like, you know, एक protocol पे research होती है. Means, you know, जैसे हम लोग network security की books में कितने सारे protocols एक ही chapter में पढ़ लेते हैं. It's not like that.
Oh, it's not like that at all. And not only even that, आपके encryption algorithms होते हैं. I'm just mentioning encryption algorithms because हमने Diffie-Hellman college में पढ़ा था, I'm sure.
Yes.
And but उसका implementation आप college में नहीं कर पाते हो. उसका
Diffie-Hellman, AES, DES means
RSA,
yes.
Yes, and all of these things are suddenly applicable in the industry. It's like suddenly जो आपने पढ़ा वो आप finally आप apply कर रहे हो. So reading that of course is important, and then applying it in the industry is important. They like पहले पढ़ लो, at least पहले पढ़ लो.
Okay, जैसे security engineers को like कोई special training मिलती है when like they are employed?
I wouldn't say so. You start learning from your peers itself. I would say कि internships might help if you really want to get into security. It would be good. I did not have this opportunity with me. I did not know a lot of people in the industry at that time, and that's why I couldn't connect. But जिन लोगों को security की करने को मिलती है internship, they are very lucky because then they get to hear 50 things, and make sure you go and Google all those 50 things and learn about them and understand what they are. So at least you have a bit of an idea. So internships definitely tick. And along with that, when you join, I was very fortunate in EY. The people who were around me, even my manager Ranjan Sedana, he was like so nice. He guided me like, you know, iski security karni hai. And then all the peers around me, they got together and helped me out like, you know, yahan pe ye issue ho sakta hai. Even Adish from our college, he was with me in EY, my senior by 1 year. So he was the first person I sat with, and he was the one who taught me my first security vulnerability.
Okay, Adish Jain.
That is, yes, Adish Jain, yes. So that is how it started off, like learning from all the people around you. And now we sit together in scrums early morning, like that's not early morning at 10 o'clock, but it's early morning for me. I sleep at 3 o'clock.
Yes, आजकल हमारे लिए 10 a.m. is early morning. मेरे लिए भी है.
Yes. So we sit in scrums. I have so many groups that I talk with. I have so many people I interact with. And उनसे ना जब आप बात करते हो and then you suddenly hear some new term, you're like, ये नहीं सुना यार मैंने, ये तूने एक नई चीज बताई है. फिर उसको बैठ के आप पढ़ो, and that's how I am learning. I would suggest other people also to learn the same way.